Alright, working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. And we got an engine for it. I also ordered I found a transmission for it today, so I ordered one of those. So that's also going to be coming from O'Reilly's, so it'll be a matching engine and transmission. Get some light on that. Getting some stuff put on. I had a little trouble getting this on, so what I did is I just took a metal plate and set it here and smacked it with the hammer, 2-pound, about 5 times there, and then on the lower one. Then I brought in my impact and hit that again, and that put it right on there. Otherwise I would have pulled it off, you know, and cleaned it all up more, and emery cloth and filed and all that till it fit perfect. But that worked out just fine, because it's got to be, you know, in line with your other pulleys. So yeah, everything's looking good there. I put in E3.44 plugs today. I just like the E3s. I like the design of them. I got that put in today right there. That's your crankshaft position sensor. Had to put that on before you put on the harmonic balancer. Put that on right there. I put this bracket on right there today. Put the tensioner on today. Installed the water pump today. And I'm just getting started on this exhaust manifold, tapping and dyeing all the threads on everything, internal and external, and cleaning it all up and getting it installed correctly and torquing it so it'll work, it'll last. So we're going to retain the original flex plate. The new transmission does come with a torque converter. Alright, so been using the tap and die set a lot. So that's what's been going down today. I got to put in a day on it. I did make a trip to town, and eat lunch at McDonald's, so that takes a while. But I had to get those plugs, and that's when I found out that the transmission was available, because when I did a search from home, I couldn't find one at various places. So when I saw there was one, and it had a matching 3-year warranty to go with the engine, I said I'll take it. So that'll be on the way soon. And which means that we're going to turn this Oldsmobile, which is pretty decent for the body. Interior is pretty nice. Electronics work good on this vehicle. Body straight. It's a sporty body. It might need a windshield, and the body's pretty close to perfect, but I know it's got the deer ran into the right front fender and I had to replace it. And I mean, it jumped the fence and slammed right into the car. So, yeah, I didn't used to believe things like that happen either, but it did. But still, we're going to overcome all of that and turn this back into an excellent ride. This car goes really good, and it gets 28 miles to the gallon. And it's really the one that helped me to do a lot to build all the other rides that I've been working on. Because while I was able to drive that, I didn't have to spend a lot of money on fuel, and has been very dependable for me. So, I know you thought they weren't making Oldsmobiles anymore, but we're making a brand new one today. So I'll talk to you later.